Oh yes, finally we are riding in Derby. The Blue Derby mountain bike trails are located in the rainforest in northeast Tasmania. How you going? Oh, here we go. And it's a world-class riding destination. Whoa! Woo! But as usual, things never go as planned. Oi! Oh, you're kidding me. Fuck. Fucking dog.
G'day guys, just about to drop Froff dog off at Atlas. See how he goes, hey?
Oh yes. Finally, we are riding in Derby. And I've just dropped onto the Atlas Trail. Just got a shuttle up here by the partner in crime. And I'm so excited to be in Derby, in Tasmania. So nice in here. So this trail goes from Wellborough, a neighbouring town of Derby, all the way down into Derby. And it's mostly descending, around 8 kilometres long. So we've been in Derby for 2 days already, but has not stopped raining. It's been crazy. It's been pretty much just trying to save the caravan the whole 2 days, because I thought it was going to get torn apart by the winds. Oh, here we go. Yes! Woo! Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. Yes, it's like an enchanted forest. Magical. Honestly, looks like it's something out of a movie. Oh, log ride. Gotta go back for that. Oh, she's slippery too. Yes. Oh, really cool. Oh yes. What do we got here? Ah, it's not too bad. Yes. Oh, whoa. Yes. Wait. That was the wrong line. It's really hard to concentrate on the trail because the scenery is just so good. All those mossy trees, man. This would be the most picturesque trail I've ever ridden. It is so pretty. Yes. Oh, listen to that dirt. Whew. All right. Where the hell are we? I think we're still on Atlas, but I'm usually wrong. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, we've just dropped onto Dambusters, and we might take Dambusters all the way down to Derby. Damn. Sorry, couldn't help it. This is Dambusters continued. Woo! Very cool. Wait! Oh, look at this bird. What? Oi! Alright, We got that. Need to scare myself a little bit today. Here we go. Oh, a little bit short, but I'll take it. Yes! Oh my god, so good. Here we go, step up. Yeah, boy. Oi. Yes. Come on. Oh, yes. Woo! Here we go. Here we go. Yes, dude. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my god. Oi. Oh, you kidding me? F***ing dog. That'll be one of those All-Bayer hangers. What a motherfucker. Damn, busters. Now what? Oh. I think I'm at the bottom anyway. Finish strong. Yes. What a dog. All-Bayer Rallon hanger, 0.1 of a star. You are a piece of shit. Alright, I might just I'll just walking around. It's not too far to go.
Well, how's your day going, mate?
Oh yeah, it was going pretty good. Till I snapped another fucking hanger.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Nah, I'm not, mate. This is the third one I've snapped. It's done its job, has it? Yeah, it has. Should be a bit of a troublesome event, considering I've just started my Tasmanian trip. Now I've snapped my hanger. I do have a spare aftermarket one, but she's a bit cooked, she's a bit bent, and I did have that on, but gears weren't changing properly because it was throwing everything out of whack. Hopefully I can go to the shop and they might be able to straighten that aftermarket hanger up for me or something. I don't know, I hope so. Massive shout out to Alex from Big Mountain for putting that aftermarket hanger on my bike, and so quick too. Absolute legend. We're going to try to jump on a shuttle. Oh, so stoked. Oh man, it's been years since I've rode Ya Garn. It's literally been 3 years, so I'm a little nervous. This is it. I've got to do a nervous wee. There you go. Better now my hanger's fixed. Oh, here we go. Oh damn. We're starting off with some jumps. Woo! Oh, that was a big one. Come on. Ease me way into it. Yes! Yeah, dude. Oh my god, yes. Step down. Whoa. Damn. All right. You need to come back for that. After meeting a legend named Josh on the shuttle bus and cutting some laps with him, I knew my new friend was crazy enough and had the skills to tow me into the big jumps on Ya Garn. I want to follow you down Ya Garn.
Yeah, alright. Big thing. If you once you get your speed here,
yep,
everything flows then.
Alright.
Yep.
I'll just follow you, Josh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's gone. Whoa! Woo! All right, step down. Yes! Woo! Yeah! Oh, the rest of the track doesn't even matter. You left me for dead. Yeah, I got it. It was a little case on the step down, and then I was like, oh no.
The step up, you got to wash a lot of speed.
Yeah, it was sick. I did not know where I was though, because I hit those first two big ones, and I'm like, I think that was it. And then I was like, oh fuck, there it is. That was so fun. I'll follow you again, bro. I'm happy to keep going if you are.
All right.
Sick. You're too quick for me. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, so good. Oh, mate. Oh yeah. Yes. Oi. Yeah. Woo. Oh, that felt so good. Yes. Oh my god! Oh yes!
Dear Derby, I only scratched your mossy surface on this trip, but your tender touch has left me itching for more. I can't wait to carve your broad berms, stroke your furry trees, and roll down your baldy boulders once again. Until then, yours always, your Froff Dog.
I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city screams.